bCloud is serving small and medium businesses, and we help them in making their environment secure. We really wanted to offer a dedicated service to our clients and supervise the security of them because it's a big problem for small and medium business. Microsoft Business Premium is really the base of what every small and medium business company needs to help them on security collaboration, including advanced MFA with conditional access, phishing and ransomware protection, device management, and of course, Teams. It gives us the tool we need to support the MSP package we created for security work from anywhere, the bCloud Pack. It's really a full range of functionality that can help a company like us as a Microsoft partner. Before Microsoft 365 Lighthouse, 50% of our clients, customers, were buying Microsoft 365 Business Premium as a pure license transaction. Lighthouse gives us new ways to show value to customers. For example, earlier we were going into each customer tenant one by one, once a month, to check for issues. With Lighthouse, we can easily monitor for threats every day across multiple customers. We are really proactive with our client today with Lighthouse. We are able to go to them and before they came to us. 90% of time, this results in the customer taking our services package after that intervention. Lighthouse allowed us to become a real strategic partner for our clients, but this also enabled us to increase the services package price by 40%, but also decrease our churn by 50%. Other than the fact that it's free for a Microsoft partner, it's also the best product to manage all your Microsoft 365 Business Premium clients. Becoming an MSP today, it's not really a choice. It's deeply what our customer needs. And starting with Microsoft 365 Business Premium and Lighthouse is the easiest way to start in this business. It's a comprehensive package for our customer and really easy to use as a partner.